The most important piece of furniture that you can possibly own is your dining table. So that's what I decided I wanted to build for my sister and brother-in-law for their wedding gift. The dining table is a setting for important discussions with your family and friends over the years. You'll have dinner and you'll speak about your day. You'll share what you're thinking. Sometimes you'll have hard discussions, and other times you'll laugh harder than you've ever laughed before. With time, you'll establish that old familiar spot at the table that you can call yours. You can also refer to the other spots. That's Dad's spot, or that's where the guests sit. The dining table is where we learn about the people closest to us, the people that we love the most. In a previous life, this was a work table, and I hope that in some ways it continues to be a work table for your experiences. I hope that good times are shared and more marks are left on it. That's all for this week. If you have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe or tell somebody about this. I don't think my prayer candle to the algorithm is really working yet. And if this is informative or entertaining, or even if it just quelled your ADHD for a minute, please help me out in any way that you can. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.